This is just a simple class called length, and I'm going to use this to start off with just a brief review of classes, and then we're going to start to add things to this class. So here I just want to show you there's one private data member which is called length of inches, and so this will actually hold the length in inches, and it can be, you know, it could be 24 inches or 36 inches or 40 inches. And the class itself has three constructors: one default constructor, one constructor with one parameter, which is inches, and another one which is a constructor that has both feet and inches passed in. There is a get feet function, and this will just take the length in inches and divide it by 12. So if the length in inches is 24, then that'll return 2 feet. If it's 28, it'll still return 2 feet, because 28 inches is 2 feet 4 inches, so it just returns the feet part. And then inches, get inches uses the mod operator. Now remember that the mod operator gives the result of integer division. So in this case, if you have 24 is the length in inches, then 24 mod 12 is 0, right? 24 divided by 12 is 2 with a remainder of 0. So you would have 0 inches. So like if you had 24 length in inches, it would return 2 feet and then 0 inches. Or if you had 26 length inches, 26 divided by 12 would be 2, and 26 mod 12 would be 4. All right, because 26 divided by 2 divided by 12 is 2 with a remainder of 4. And then there's a set length function where the user can pass in feet and inches, and it'll just multiply the number of feet by 12 and add inches to it. So that's the header file. Again, 3 constructors, 2 get functions, and a set function. These functions are written inline, and these 3 constructors are written in the length.cpp file. So I'm going to come in here. The default constructor just sets the data member length in inches to 0. The one with one constructor just sets the length in inches to inches, which is passed in as a parameter, and the one with 2 parameters passes in feet and inches, and then the length in inches will be 12 times the number of feet plus the inches. So that's the class, and then I have a driver program which just tests out all of the functions in the class. So this tests the default constructor. It'll set the length in inches to 0. This tests the constructor with one parameter, which will set the length in inches to 14, and this will set the length in inches to 3 times 12, which is 36, plus 6, which is 42. And then I just have some cout statements that display the number of feet and the number of inches. And then I test my set length function by setting it to 2 feet 8 inches, which should be, let's see, 24, 32. Or actually it doesn't matter because it just displays the feet in inches. So I'm going to run this, and here you can see length 1 is 0 feet 0 inches. Length 2 is 1 feet 2 inches, right, because it was 14 inches, that's 1 foot 2 inches. Length 3 is 3 feet 6 inches, and then I set length 1 to 2 feet 8 inches, and that's what displays. So my driver program just tests out each of my functions in my class to make sure they work. So the files are attached, and you should try this and make sure that you understand how it works before you proceed.